Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we're reviewing a must-have for electricians, technicians, and DIYers, the best digital clamp meter, the GVDA GD168B. It's packed with features for accurate, safe, and versatile measurements. Let's break down the key specs, pros and cons. Let's get started. Product features. Comprehensive measurement capabilities. The GVDA GD168B supports a wide range of electrical measurements. It can measure AC and DC voltage and current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, temperature, diodes, and continuity. This all-in-one functionality makes it a perfect multi-tool for electrical troubleshooting and repair. HD Color LCD display. It features a 6,000-count HD color LCD screen, which is clear, bright, and easy to read, even in dim environments. The display gives you detailed, real-time feedback that helps you get accurate readings without straining your eyes. Non-contact voltage detection. One of its best safety features is the non-contact voltage detection. This lets you identify live wires or voltage presence without touching the wire, a smart way to reduce risk and stay safe during testing. AC inrush current measurement. The inrush current function is a standout. It allows you to measure the initial surge of current when devices like motors or compressors start up. This is critical for understanding if your circuit can handle startup loads safely. Smart safety features. It includes live wire detection, over-range alerts, and an auto power-off function. These features help protect both the user and the meter. The DCA 0 function further improves accuracy when measuring small DC currents. Battery saving and alert functions. The low battery indicator ensures you're never caught off guard mid-job. Plus, the auto shut-off feature conserves power when the device isn't in use, which is perfect for extending battery life. Pros. Wide range of measurement options. Clear HD LCD display with 6,000 counts. Safer testing with non-contact voltage detection. Accurate AC inrush current measurement. Includes helpful extras like auto power-off and DCA 0. Cons. No Bluetooth or data logging features. Build may feel basic compared to premium meters. Not designed for industrial heavy-duty tasks. Final thoughts. The GVDA GD168B digital clamp meter is a well-rounded, budget-friendly tool that delivers serious value for electricians, technicians, and DIY users alike. Its wide range of functions, enhanced display, and smart safety features make it a solid choice for everyday electrical work. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile clamp meter without breaking the bank, this one deserves your attention. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Kingo for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.